Ave Maria. Ave Maria. Happy feast of Our Lady of Fatima. Onye jisi ike ruo alaeze o. Onye jikata ya ghara nwanne onye nri aka. N'obodo Fatima na 1917, eze nwanyị nke igwe bịakwutere ụmụaka ito. Aha bụ Lucy, aha bụ Jacinta, aha bụ Francisco bụ ụmụaka ito. Ọ sị ha kpebe ekpere, ọ sị ha mebe ọpịpịa, ọ sị ha kpebe ekpere maka njọ nke ụwa. Otito dịrị Jesu na ndụ ebere, amen. Otito dịrị Jesu na ndụ ebere, amen. Ave Maria. Pray the rosary every day in order to obtain world peace, Our Lady of Fatima. There is no problem, I tell you, no matter how difficult it is, that we cannot resolve by the prayer of the Holy Rosary, Our Lady of Fatima. If men knew what eternity is, they would do everything to change their lives, Our Lady of Fatima. I promise my special protection and the greatest graces to all those who shall recite the Holy Rosary, Our Lady to Saint Dominic. You are not alone, my child, and you must not be sad. I will be with you always, and my Immaculate Heart will be your comfort, and the way which will lead you to God, and the way which will lead you to God, Our Lady to Lucia of Santos. Thank you, our Blessed Mother Mary. Norma. Mama, Mama mia de makam gemeregio, onyo mane, onyo gadirima, Norma. Mother Mary, Mother Milonia, I love you. 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 Ina oje soy makwanne moroya. Jesus. Ina oje soy makwanne moroya. Apoba Jesi malibelu, apoba Jesi rulibelu. And ina oje soy makwanne moroya. How can you love a child and not love their mother? I love you, Nidia. So, Virgin Mary, Nena Yotawa, Yena Kabia Sorum Riaba, Honorary Yomo. Virgin Mary, Nena Yotawa, Yena Kabia Sorum Riaba, Honorary Yomo. Our Lady of Fatima, pray for us. Thank you, Jesus.